I'm Nathan Allen with YorkLink, part of York Region's economic strategy team. I'm here with a man who needs absolutely no introduction, Marc Saltzman. He is a tech expert, a syndicated journalist broadcaster across the United States and Canada. He's been helping us out all week interviewing York Region-based companies here at Collision Conf. Marc, welcome, and thank you very much for your help today.
And thank you, Nathan. It's been amazing working with everybody at York Region at this massive conference. Very exciting, lots of traffic, really interesting people to chat with. So yeah, it's been amazing. And I've partnered with York Region, being a York Region resident as well, over the last couple of years, and it's a privilege and an honor to partner with such great people. It's so much fun.
That's fantastic. And now at Collision Conf, you actually hosted something on the growth stage. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so on day 3, the final day of the show, from 12:30 till 5, I was emceeing the growth stage, which is, it was an opportunity for more seasoned startups and companies to talk about raising money for 11 minutes at a time to an audience of mostly startups who have no idea how to raise money, the right amount, when, from whom. It's obviously very intimidating, but such an important part of the process. And so they shared their expertise. These are companies that have raised, in some cases, I'm introducing folks who have raised $50, $100 million in investment money, and they are sharing their secrets, if you will, their secret sauce on how to best do it. So no doubt, very valuable talks from each of these companies.
That's an impressive accomplishment in itself. Now, what does it mean to you, sort of on a personal level, being selected by Collision to MC one of the events here?
It's an honor. Obviously, this is a massive show, 25 to 30,000 people, born out of Web Summit, which is an international show. So yeah, I was thrilled that they asked me to take a sort of a greater role in this conference. I hope to do it again next year and hope to work with York Region again. Yeah, it's an honor. I mean, I've been doing this for a quarter of a century. So, it's a long time, and it's nice to be recognized and to be part of it. It's a great vibe here, as you know, Nathan, and meeting so many really cool people, whether they're startups or more established brands, and everyone in between.
And now I know you've been working on a big project. It's actually, I believe it's out now. Tell us a little bit what you've got going on.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, soon. So it's a show on CNBC called Tech Impact. It's Saturday mornings at 11 Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific. It's going to start in late June, but we've shot our first episode, and I've signed on to host this show. It's a 30-minute talk about the impact of technology on society, with a slight business tinge because it is CNBC, but a little bit more high-level concepts. Talking about healthcare, talking about AI and education, transportation, next generation communication platforms like 5G, robotics, and then the impact again on humans and on society as a whole. Yeah, it's really exciting. I've had so much fun shooting the show so far, and we just started. So yeah.
You're doing incredible things. And now for people who want to learn more about you and sort of the TV show that you're working on, where should they go?
Thank you. So my website is marcsaltzman.com. That's Marc with a C, SALTZMAN. And I have info on tech impact there, as well as on my podcast and other work that I do as a journalist. So thank you. Thanks, Nathan.
Well, thank you very much for all the help you've done with us here at Collision. And to those watching, thank you for spending some time with us.